Like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? I ain't with the cake and how you kiss that. Your wifey say I'm looking like a whole snap.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, man? What y'all on, dude? Hey, for them new subscribers, go ahead and click subscribe. That's all I gotta say, G. Cause if you ain't subscribing right now, by the end of the video, you gonna be subscribing, commenting, leaving likes and shit. Cause we lit over here. But look, we finna do this monkey video because I see y'all be liking that stuff, man. Y'all be really liking them videos. Cause like, bro, like that last one, them roasting ones, bro, they had me messed up, G. I was not playing with them. But yeah, man, my name Trill Saucy if you knew. You know what I'm saying? You could tell. Cause I'm super trill, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we finna jump into this video, man. We gonna be asking girls what they dating, you know what I'm saying? And then we just gonna see. I wouldn't be surprised if everybody said they wasn't gonna date me. Cause I'm funny looking. I'm funny looking for sure. We're not answering no nigga shit, so don't come over here thinking that, boy. What's up? What's up? Okay, so I'm not. Hey, what y'all on? What y'all on? Shit. Goofy shit. What's up?
Hello?
Hey, I'm doing a video right now. Would you rate me?
Huh?
Could you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
I rate you?
Yeah.
From what? On the scale of what?
So like 1 to 10.
You 10.5.
10 and a half. Alright, right on. Alright, right on. Hey. Ooh, shit. I'm a 10 and a half. Alright. I think it's because the bandana low key, because they be flocking. Bro, I'm not answering no nigga shit, G. I'm not playing. Hold up, cause this fucking niggas is just keep on. We're gonna go to this. Cause y'all see what I just did? It's like different like fucking fuck the goofy shit. I gotta stop cussing. I just be cussing just to do it. I be tripping. What's up?
What's up?
Hey, could you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
At 8.
At 8? Alright, right on.
Rate me.
No, I won't rate you. Look at us. Yeah. We're gonna keep on going till we hit 10, alright? We at 2. What's up?
What's up?
Hey, could you do me a favor?
Yeah?
And rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? 9? Alright.
What about?
No, I'm not answering. Stop asking me. I'm not doing it. No. You not the YouTuber. Oh, yeah. What's up? Hey, could y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
6.
At 10? Alright, right on. I think I look ugly when I come to y'all though. Hey, that's like, what is that, like 4? I'm telling you, we're not playing no games. I think they're gonna be hating. Hey, it's the summertime. I'm finna get that weird, but say we lit, Saucy Gang. We lit. I'm not playing. What's up?
What's up? What's going on?
Hey, could you do me a favor and rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give you a good 7 or 8.
7, 8. All right. Hey, that's still passing, G. That's still passing. I need to stop coming to the camera. What am I doing? Oh, shit. What's up?
Hey.
Hey, could you do me a favor?
Mm-hmm.
And rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
She moving the camera all angles and shit. Right on, though, right?
Oh, like a 9.
A 9? Alright, alright. Hey, I'm doing a YouTube video. So,
You are?
yeah.
Duh, I have my bonnet on. I just woke up.
Oh, no, you gotta subscribe. I'm gonna put you in the video. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, could you do me a favor and rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Well, I'll give you a 7.
Alright, alright. Alright, bet.
Bet.
Hey. I'm Trill Saucy from YouTube. I don't know what y'all want from me. You know what I'm saying? It's like I'm the coolest person in the world. And we already at a 7, so this gonna be a hot 8. Unless see she ain't answering. You know what I'm saying? But this gonna watch this. I'm telling you, I'm not playing no games. I'm not. And I just woke up. That's what's crazy. Like, what's up? Hey, could you do me a favor? And rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? An 8? Alright, alright. Hey, I don't know why she wasn't talking. But shit. Where we at? We at 8? 2 more, G. I'm not taking no L's, G. If some... Hold up. What's up? What's up? Okay, shit. The hell? What they on, boy? I don't know, G. They tripping over there. What's up?
Hello.
Hey, could you rate me?
Yeah.
Huh?
You're a 10.
A 10?
Put your face to the camera again.
Ask her to rate me.
What?
Can you rate me too?
She disrespectful. Don't get her, though.
Alright, alright.
No.
Come on!
She said you were 8.
An 8. Alright, alright. Hey, we took 10 back to back. W's, G. We don't take no losses. Them other motherfuckers in the see, I gotta stop cussing, G. Them other people that was dissing me in the old videos. If y'all know who they is, y'all know their Instagram, get on their ass, G. Cause they was hating. This group right here, we with it, alright? Yeah, man. If you like this video, go on ahead and leave a like and a comment. For everybody who new, subscribe. Let's go on ahead and get to, what y'all think we should get to? 100 likes, 200 likes. Let's say 150. If I get 150, hey, you got a surprise for y'all, G. I'm not playing no games. But yeah, go on ahead and tell your friend, man. I think I might do a double upload today. So if you're watching this video right now, I recorded today, which is Saturday, June 2nd, and I'm gonna drop it today. Alright? And so I might do another video. So that means I might do another monkey video. I might do like something like roasting or something like that. And then do like a part 2 of that, because I see y'all like that too. So then it's lit, alright? It's Saturday. I know y'all bored, G. I got y'all. It's raining out here, so I know y'all in the crib. Hey, we lit. I'm not playing no games, but yeah.
On me, bro. Heard you used to fuck with so and so. Promise you, I do not know the hoe. I can never ever take this for granted. No label, but I got the advantage. Niggas hating and I really can't stand it. Muy bien is how I'm doing in Spanish. None of these Beyonce's fucking with me.